In this video, I will be teaching you how to create simple dynamic shapes in logo designs. I will start by getting a circle, which can be achieved using my ellipse tool, a perfect circle by holding your control key, then you click and drag to get your perfect circle. You can as well use the P letter on your keyboard to center your object at the middle of your printable layout. Wherever your shape is, wherever your object might be, all you simply need to do is to select it and press the P key on the keyboard. It takes you to the center of the printable layout. So I'll be getting another shape, a rectangular shape drawn across the circle. Also press the P to center the rectangle perfectly well at the middle of the printable layout, thereby placing it at the center of the drawn circle already. You can give that a color too. You can give them the color of your choice. So the next thing we're doing from here is how to rotate and duplicate this rectangle round the circle in perfect order. To achieve that, make sure the rectangle is selected, not the circle, the rectangle selected. Also make sure not to select both shapes. Only the object or shape that needs to be rotated round the other one should be selected. So in this case, we are selecting the rectangle. Arrange, transformation, rotate. Your rotation handle comes up here on your docker. Let me close this docker. Go back again. Arrange, transformation, rotate. It comes up on your docker. On this transformation docker, this is your angle of rotation. This angle of rotation here determines the distance between the duplicated rectangle and the other. I have 4 in default. I'm making it 20. Then you have number of copies. Number of copies here means how many copies will be duplicated per click on this apply button. In default is 1. I normally leave it. So let's click. The more you click, the more it applies. Now watch the distance between the duplicated rectangles. This is it. Is determined by this value you input here. So let me Ctrl Z and change it 20 here to 4. Then apply to duplicate. As you click and apply to duplicate, you can now observe that the distance, the space between the duplicated rectangles has been closed. I can Ctrl Z if I want to undo a bit. Alright, I can close my transformation environment. I'm done. You can select all the shapes, then group. This is your group button here. You can as well use your shortcut Ctrl G to achieve that. This object is grouped. They are all grouped. You can as well choose to rotate the shapes. In our previous class, we did how to rotate object. How do you do that? Click again on the selected object. Here comes your rotation signs. Place your pointer on any of the rotation handles. You can click and drag around to reposition the shape. No positioning is wrong or right. It depends how you want it. It's okay. So this is how you can create simple dynamic shapes in logo designs. This can actually act as a nice logo for your brand. I'll be doing that again with a different shape altogether. This is my polygon tool. 6-point polygon. Press your P to center it at the middle of the printable layout. Same goes to the polygon 2. Press it too. The P to center it at the middle of the printable layout. So they are both at the center of each other. Remember, you select the object you wish to rotate, which is the rectangle. I can choose to give it color already. Down to your arrange, transformations, rotate. This is your rotation docker. Okay, so you can indicate your angle of rotation here. 4. I can change it, maybe 10. How many copies? I can as well change to the number of copies I need, maybe 20 per clicking. So once you click on apply, it gives you 20. Wow, this is much. I just Ctrl Z to undo, so let me make it 10. Okay, let me reduce it to 1 so I can manually tap once. Give this one a color, so I can select all and group. I can as well click to change the position. So you can make various simple dynamic designs using your rotate and duplicate. In our next video, we'll be taking a look at how to create other dynamic designs using some other tools here in coreldraw. If you enjoyed this video, simply kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing videos.